In a significant development, two Indian defense companies are now developing kamikaze drones similar to Iran's Shahid series systems, which have had a major impact in recent conflicts from Ukraine right up till Iran and West Asia. The projects Project Kal and Sheshnag 150 are currently under testing. These systems are designed for deep penetration strike missions, and they reflect a larger shift, where lessons from modern battlefields are now shaping India's own military innovations. Kamikaze drones, also known as loitering munitions, represent a fundamental shift in how weapons operate. Unlike traditional missiles, which are launched towards a predefined target, these systems are designed to search, identify, and strike. Once launched, the drone can remain airborne, sometimes for extended periods. Scanning the battlefield using onboard sensors, it can circle over the target area, track movement, and wait for the right opportune moment. Only then does it strike, diving into the target with precision. In effect, it combines three roles into one system: a surveillance drone, a targeting system, and a precision weapon. This eliminates the need for separate detection and strike platforms. And more importantly, it allows for dynamic targeting in real time. These systems are especially effective in complex terrain, urban environments, and high-intensity conflict zones, where targets are mobile, concealed, and time-sensitive. The Iranian Shahid series drones have changed perceptions of what low-cost systems can achieve. Their effectiveness lies not in sophistication, but in design simplicity combined with operational strategy. First, range and endurance. These drones are capable of traveling long distances at relatively low speeds, often flying at low altitudes to avoid radar detection. Second, low radar signature. Their small size, composite materials, and low speed profile make them difficult to detect and track. Third, and perhaps most important, cost efficiency. Compared to advanced missiles, Shahid drones are significantly cheaper, which allows them to be produced and deployed in large numbers. This enables a new tactic, that is saturation attacks. Multiple drones launch simultaneously, overwhelming air defense systems. Even if some are intercepted, others get through. And this creates a critical imbalance because defending against these drones often requires expensive surface-to-air missiles and high-end radar systems, meaning the cost of defense can far exceed the cost of attack. This is what makes systems like Shahid so disruptive. They invert the economics of warfare.
India has fast-tracked key projects to match the low-cost, long-range drone model seen in modern conflicts. Systems like Sheshnag 150 and Project Kal are at the center of this push. Sheshnag 150 offers a range of over 1,000 kilometers, carries a 25 to 40 kilogram warhead, and uses AI-powered swarm technology to overwhelm enemy air defenses. Meanwhile, Project Kal, a classified program, is designed for deep penetration strikes with a similar range and an endurance of 3 to 5 hours, signaling India's move towards scalable, long-range precision strike capabilities.
The development of Project Kal and Sheshnag 150 marks an important step for India because it reflects not just adoption but adaptation of proven battlefield concepts. Globally, systems like Shahid have already been analyzed extensively. Even the United States has reportedly examined the recovered drones to understand their design, components, and operational use. Now Indian companies are building similar capabilities tailored to India's own requirements. This includes extended range for deep strike missions, improved navigation systems for contested environments, and integration with Indian command and control networks. But the real significance lies beyond the platform itself. It lies in what this represents. India is beginning to absorb lessons from live conflicts and translate them into indigenous systems. And if scaled effectively, such drones could provide cost-effective strike capability, deep penetration without risking pilots, and the ability to overwhelm adversaries' defenses. In a potential conflict scenario, these systems could be used to target logistic hubs, disable radar installations, or disrupt air defense networks before conventional forces even engage. This is the concept of preemptive distributed strike warfare.
Kamikaze drones represent one of the most significant shifts in the modern warfare. They combine surveillance, precision, and affordability in a single system. For countries like India, the ability to develop and scale such capabilities could redefine how future conflicts are fought, especially in high-intensity, contested environments.
India's move to develop kamikaze drones reflects a broader transformation, from relying on high-end platforms to embracing systems that are scalable, adaptable, and cost-effective. Because in modern warfare, innovation is no longer optional, it is essential.